Okay, ready?
Okay.
Not bad, eh? The carburetor needs a little work though.
Focus regular, so
Yeah.
probably burning the paint off.
Voltage regulator.
I don't think it's burning the paint off, I don't think it's hooked up right, that's what I think. I don't think this is hooked up right. That green wire you told me that went on there, I just find that hard to believe. But that's the way it showed it. And you said that other wire went to the ground. I think what you should do is get on the internet and try to find some prints for that. Now, I come up with this, but that don't tell us enough.